Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to cancel whatnot order. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel whatnot order. So if you're a buyer, you cannot directly cancel an order yourself. Instead, you need to submit a cancellation request and the seller decides wherever to approve it. Whatnot says bids are bidding, so cancellation isn't not guaranteed. So you can go to a profile, of course, click on the shop on a person if you want to, of course, go and find some items that you would like to, of course, go and buy. Click on the item and then click on in its shop and click join show if it's, of course, a live show where you can, of course, do it in a live show. But you can, of course, go and bid or buy it. You just need to go and find a person that has a shop also away from this one has it, as you can see, so not in the lives but the shop like here. And then you can of course go and click on the item that you want and of course go and click on join show if the show is live. So these are in show, which you can of course bid for. And then here we have some fresh sales, etc., where you can of course save and notify when they will be of course there. But of course then you can go and bid. If not, you can contact for that to be of course cancelled. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.